Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we will discuss a feature that disables the creation or modification of retail customers within the billing screen. To enable this option, open LOGIC Admin and navigate to Global Settings. Under the POS Options 1 section, check the box labeled Do not allow retail customer creation or modification. After enabling this option, make sure to save the settings and restart the software to apply changes. Once the feature is activated, open the Sale Bill touchscreen window. Now, while creating a retail customer, you will notice that the Save button is disabled. This means that any new customer or modifications made to the customer details will not be saved. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.